We have a window control opening device that isn't working properly. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this and see if we can't get that to work. Okay, so we're going to take this apart. And we're going to lube this up to make sure it works okay. So I'm going to spray it down with some lube. I'm going to work that lube in there. Okay, we're going to put, see how the mechanism works there. It's got that little latch there, that latch is in there, but we got to install the spring, goes in there. So I'll put that in there. So that's what it's supposed to look like with the spring in there. We're going to go ahead and reassemble this. Squeeze that together. And then this pops in there like that. And then that pops up. That goes back like that. Seems to be working. We'll go ahead and reinstall it on the window here. Check it out. Seems to work great. Push the red tab down. When you do that, it causes that to go down like that. That way you can open the window. But if you don't want it to open all the way, you leave it just like that. And press that down. Now you can open the window all the way.